You don't know about the Praireland case out of Texas, you should. Back in July, there was a noise demonstration outside of an ICE facility in Texas, and because of an alleged shooting, 18 people were arrested. Some were there, some weren't there, and one of the people that were arrested is Daniel Sanchez Estrada, who has some news updates recently that I think people should know about who care about repression and what's happening around different parts of the country. And to set the stage, the Prairieland case is super fascinating because it shows yet another example of the state trying to target a group of activists and organizers in a community and to identify them as a North Texas Antifa cell. And these are folks that are involved in mutual aid and guns rights organizing, all sorts of organizing that is in various communities all around the country. Yet, in this particular instance, a noise demo and the police alleging that there was a shooting is enough cause to charge numerous people with terrorism charges on a state and federal level. And just this past week, there's been a really interesting update. One of the defendants was released while their trial and case was happening, and this person was allowed to go home for about a week to spend time with their family, to hug and kiss their friends. Um, and then about a week later, they were contacted by their attorney and told that their release was a clerical error. And there have been numerous updates from the legal defense team with the Prairieland folks, and I'm sure community is crowding around each other and doing the care that is necessary. But I find it very chilling that we're in a period of time where clerical errors can give people the guise of freedom, can allow them to go home, to be with their family and their friends. And part of me questions how much of these errors or things of this nature are psychological strategies by the state to get people in a certain mindset, to give them a sense of comfort and then yank it away. And I just want people to be aware that the patterns of things like this happening, especially under an administration that doesn't want to care about habeas corpus, that wants to detain people indefinitely, all of these things, it's going to matter that we pay attention. So I wanted to bring this up for folks. Please pay attention to the Prairie Line case, stay updated, and I'll try to share updates when I can.